So this is the latest device from Huawei, the Huawei Nova7i, and I will show you how to hard reset it. For hard reset it, you have to power off this device. For power off this device, you have to press the power button for 3 seconds or 4 seconds. Then this menu will appear and you will power off it. After that, when your device is completely switched off, press the power button, which is the fingerprint button as well, here, and the volume up button together, like this, okay. When this will take a little longer than the normal boot, and when the Huawei logo appears, you have to release both the buttons like this, okay. This menu, so for that, after this menu appears, you have to scroll down to clear data using the volume down button, and select the clear data using power button, like this. Then you have to move to the factory reset using the power up button, and select it using power button. Then they are saying that type YES here, so type YES, which I write here, and then factory reset, and then again factory reset, and this menu will appear. This will, I have to go back and restart this device, restart using